Hi students, welcome back. Let us continue with the topic, that is the minimum cost spanning tree. So the minimum cost spanning tree can be constructed by using the Kruskal's method or the Prim's method. So if you want to make the graph as a minimum spanning tree, you need to either select the edges or you can discard the edges by so you can select or discard the edges by using the Kruskal's algorithm or by Prim's algorithm in the greedy approach. So by using the greedy strategies. Now let us take, so this is a graph which is having the cycles. So this is the cycles, 3 cycles total it is having. So you have to make this graph as a minimum spanning tree by using Kruskal's algorithm. So in Kruskal's algorithm, first you have to take only the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First take only the vertices. Start with a forest that has no edges. So starting it doesn't have any edges. Next, consider edges in ascending order of cost. So you have to consider the edges which are having the ascending order. So this is a 2 and next 2 is ascending, next 2 after 3, 3 after 4. So 4 after 5 is not there, so 6 is there, 6 after 7, 7 after 8. Don't consider 8 because if you write this it becomes cycle. So just discard this 8. Okay, just discard this 8. 8 after 9. So okay, don't consider 9 also, because if you draw 9 here, okay, if you connect these two vertices, this becomes cycle. So just discard 9. 9 after 10, 10 after 14. Okay, so that is here written. Edge 1, 2 is considered first and added to the forest. Next, edge 7, 8, which is having the next ascending, means you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. 7, 8 is added and next and added. Next 3, 4 is considered. Next 5, 6 is considered. Next 2, 3 is considered. Next 1, 3 considered, but you just reject it because it creates a cycle. Next edge 2, 4 is considered but rejected because it creates a cycle. Edge 3, 5 is considered next and added. Edge 3, 6 you consider it but rejected because it forms a cycle. Edge 3, 6 is rejected. Next edge 5, 7 is considered next added. So this is how you just connecting the graph by using the Kruskal's algorithm. So in the Kruskal's algorithm, first you have to write the vertices and after that you have to check the edges. You have to connect the vertices by using the edges which is arranging in ascending order. Select in ascending order. Select in ascending order. So this is a graph which you will get, which is a minimum spanning tree. So here n-1 edges have been selected and no cycles formed. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total n-1, that is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 edges we get. So minimum spanning tree is accepted. n-1 edges have been selected and no cycles are formed. So we must have a spanning tree. So the cost of this spanning tree is 46. The total cost is 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6 plus 14 plus 13. You will get 46. So the minimum cost spanning tree is unique. When it is unique? When all edges cost are different. So this is about the minimum spanning tree of Kruskal's algorithm. Now let us see the Prim's algorithm. So this is the same structure you will get, but the process, that is the different. So you have to start with any single vertex. So here you have to start with single vertex, whereas in Kruskal's algorithm you have to first select all the vertices. After selecting all the vertices, the edges has to be selected based on the ascending order. You have to be selected and then you have to connect it according to ascending order. But in Prim's algorithm, start with any single vertex tree. Get a 2 vertex tree by adding a cheapest edge. So here you just check, is for this vertex the adjacent vertices are 3 and 2. So which is having the cheap least value? 2 is having the least value. So just select the 2 and discard 8. So from 2, just check which is having, get a 3 vertex tree by adding a cheap edge. So going to the 3, so which one is the cheapest? So only 1 is there. So you just, to go to the 3, you have to be select 7. So from here, 3, the adjacent vertices are 4, 6 and 5. So which one is having the least cost? Okay, so the 4 is having the least cost. So just select the 4. Okay, so next the 5. So in this 5, the 6 is having the least cost. Okay, so but this is, you just avoid by disconnecting. The graph should not be disconnected. So from 2 it takes the 4, if you take this it will be disconnected. So from 3 you can take the 4 as well as the 10, because it should not be disconnected. The one thing you have to be noted that it doesn't form any cycles and the graph should not be disconnected. So grow the tree one edge at a time until the tree has n-1 edges, and hence all n vertices has to be reached. So all vertices has to be reached. After that 7, after that 8. So this is about the Prim's algorithm. Thank you.